How to find TikTok videos that you have already seen. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply find the already seen TikTok videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the TikTok application on your mobile phone devices. Once you have opened that TikTok application on your mobile phone, the first thing you're going to do in that application is go into the discover mode. You're going to go into the discover mode by tapping on the discover icon at the bottom of the screen from the left side. So once you do that, a new search pane has opened up, or a search page has opened up that consists of various hashtags with a search option. In this search pane, you're going to go and search for anything, just as I have searched a video, and when I'll search on it, so this is how it is. Here you're going to go for the videos and you're going to set it the options to already seen. When you will do so, you will see the videos that has already been seen, yet that the videos that you have already seen. So this is how you do it. This is how you watch already seen videos on your TikTok application. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.